It's just something about her. She's very special compared to anybody else in the world. You'd be able to tell her out of any crowd. Her smile is unlike any other. She smiles at me, and I can see every single sunset that I've ever seen. And she's one of a kind.
Patiently waiting on my dreams to come true, hoping and praying one day that they do. Oh, I don't know how, and I don't know when, just patiently waiting till then.
Abby, I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you. I'm so excited.
You were shaking.
I kind of jumped out of bed. My best friend was actually with me last night. She stayed the night, and it was kind of just a cute little moment of, oh my gosh, it's the wedding day, you know, it's today. I don't think it's hit me yet, to be honest with you, because I would be very, very nervous. But no, I'm very excited, and it'll hit me as soon as I put on my dress, I think. I think it'll finally just hit me like a brick wall. We love to definitely hunting and fishing is our big thing.
We like to go fishing. We like to go walking on hikes.
We like to camp a lot, you know, we like to just do the outdoorsy stuff, I guess. That's kind of our jam.
And I mean, we really just enjoy being together. I'm excited for our milestones. I'm excited for being able to grow a family together.
Getting through the hard times, choosing each other every day. I've prayed for someone like him for a long time. Everything about him is just everything that I want, you know. He's perfect.
I know sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones? Will it cool like the snow? And I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause they already know what it's like being in love.
The minute that I met her, I knew that it was going to be everything that we hoped for.
I wouldn't give him my phone number, so I gave him my TikTok instead, and he messaged me for like a month before we even like did any sort of talking. So like he played the waiting game for sure.
Still I'm patiently waiting with you by my side, trusting one day that I can provide the life you deserve, but never demand. Oh, patiently waiting till then, the life you deserve, but never demand. Patiently waiting till then.
It's one of those things in life that you never know until you do.